So, I want to talk about how cash flow and change are very intricately linked. It's difficult to change your life without cash flow. When I talk about change, I'm talking about pursuing whatever it is that will make you feel successful. It could be a dream and a passion and a goal. It could be a business. It can be wealth. But whatever it is you feel that if you accomplished it, you would be successful. Cash flow helps out exponentially in helping you make the changes necessary to acquire what you deem to be success. And we all have or have had cash flow at one point or another. If you have a job and you pay your bills and at the end of the month you have $100 left over, then that's your cash flow of your life, of your personal life, okay? When we hear the word cash flow, we tend to attach it to, a business, a company, an investment. If you're a real estate investor, you obviously won't buy a property unless it has cash flow. But even as an individual, you have some form of earned income, hopefully, and you have financial obligations. You've got rent or a mortgage or a car payment, groceries, whatever. Hopefully there's some money left over. That's called cash flow. And when you have cash flow, you can move mountains. And if it's a little bit of cash flow, then maybe you're moving pebbles, but you can't make change without cash flow. And that's why, I'm putting this 1 year long masterclass together. It's called How to Become a Millionaire in 5 Years. And throughout the program, we're constantly trying to educate people and coach them and hold them accountable for improving the cash flow in their life so they can do the things they need to do to become a millionaire. And so cash flow and change go together. If the change is like, hey, I need to start a side gig, I want to start a e-commerce website, or I want to, I want to go to school and get my certification in plumbing so I become a plumber. Whatever it is you want to do, right? I got to buy some inventory so I can sell on my website. I want to go back to college, right? I want to buy a rental property. I want to become a private lender. Anything that you want to do to change your life and, move forward in that, what, Robert Kiyosaki calls the cash flow quadrant, generally is going to require change, and a lot of that change is going to require cash flow. How to Be a Millionaire in 5 Years Masterclass is all about helping you continually uptick your cash flow and then do the right things with it so that your life can become more passive. The income can be more passive. More of your money is being put to work for you as an investor. You're using leverage. And that's how you build wealth and obtain personal and financial freedom. I love my little acronym. It's the word PAGE: prosperity, abundance, growth, and expansion, right? That's all change. And when you want that change, you need cash flow.